he didn't want it?
Yeah. Yeah, this one did. Thank you. Welcome to Arashiyama Monkey Park in Kyoto. Can you see that? Welcome to the monkey park. Can't vlog with my Osmo today as it's raining. But this is the view. Summertime, this would be madness. But there's a lake, a river, actually a river, quite a wide river. And you've got a set of steps here coming up. Doesn't seem that busy today, obviously due to the weather. But there is this dense forest and a path. I think you've got to hike for, I don't know how long it is. I will find out in a sec. But yeah, let's see the hype about this monkey park. Don't feed the monkeys.
No way!
Hello. Right, so this is the route. If you got a bike, you can take the bike up. If you got legs to take the bike up. Boom, 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 boom. Kya ticket check karen ta? Right, on a slippery day, probably not the ideal sort of place to come. What is it, bro? Entry?
800.
800. Right, £4 entry. I'm probably on the wrong side. Doesn't matter. Right, and then we have the forest. Probably someone's house there. It's quite a steep hike. Only 5 minutes in. Legs are burning. Better be prepared for this, ladies and gents. But we'll get there slowly but surely. Another few minutes. Right, 8 minutes into the hike and I've spotted 2 monkeys. One. Ooh, burn is real. Are you hot? Man's never hot, but he's never taken the jacket off. Right, monkey that can't have bananas. Probably diabetic ones. Alright, there comes the first base camp. This was 8 minutes. So when you see upper tooth, it's afraid. When you see the bottom one, it's angry. So
they really don't mind you.
Right, 10 minutes in, and we've seen the first one. And a couple with little babies. This one just having water. Must be thirsty. Don't have any eye contact. Got a red bum. One's trying to munch a wood, or just trying to grab some water. These are like babies. Another one coming through. Oh, loads now. This is the mountain full of monkeys. We're done about 10 minutes hike, and there we go. I'll show you some. Let me flip the camera actually. These are the rules. Thing is, There's one thing I'm scared of, are the monkeys, especially one in Nepal. Even though they're calm, sometimes they can be aggressive, and I've seen the aggressive ones when I was baby. So I've got a little bit of PTSD when it comes to monkey. Oh wow, look, they're just chilling everywhere. Relaxing. Some relaxing there. It's like a little hut, restaurant. Oh, the guy's just chilling with the monkey there. He's one of the bravest person I've seen. Yeah, that guy is brave, man.
They can want to.
Yeah, it probably works. One, literally like one. Yeah, I'm moving, man.
Oh my god. They're pretty chill. They're pretty chill. Oh my god, that one's humongous. Hey, you, look at this guy right here.
Oh, I think the guy works there.
Hey, fish.
Hey, no, oh, another one. Shit. But the unpredictable in there. I think it wants to get in actually. Wait for someone to open the door. Okay. Oh yeah, they work here. That's why they're not scared. Oh, they're cute, man. Cute little monkeys having nuts. Specially fed nuts. There's Ankit in his natural habitat. Oh, them does that. Oh, there are more there on the other side actually. Oh, you can feed them from the inside. So you just go in there and feed them. These are like small ones. One on top chilling, looking at the view. And there's a dense forest on the other side. It's signaling something. I think they spotted something. Yo, what's going on? Oh, he's on the lookout. So look at that posture there. He's looking. Here's a CCTV camera. Oh, the guys ran down as well. Must have definitely something down there. Oh, there are more monkeys there on the tree. Oh. I feel kind of like sorry for these because it's obviously raining. Oh, look at this baby, man. Tiny. Itching his body in his little scratch. Oh, look at that. Yo, signal coming through. There's a massive banana on this side. Obviously you can't feed them. Right, let me show you the view from top. I think it's just opened up, slightly foggy earlier. Right, this is the view from top. This is the countryside, Kyoto. Very, very similar structure and layout. Topography, that's the word, to Kathmandu. Hills, houses everywhere, and the good thing about Kyoto is that they don't have high-rise building. I heard that there's a restriction on the height, but it just looks very nice with no skyscrapers. And then obviously the forest. There must have been a lot. But I'm gonna go in there and try and see if I can feed the monkeys. This is inside the feeding house. Look at that baby there. So they just come here, hang, and then you can feed them. I think you can buy nuts from there, nuts and fruits. They got all the instructions and stuff. Oops, sorry. This is as close and personal as you can get. Damn. This is the closest I've ever been to a monkey. Ever will be. Yo. You need more?
Oh, there you go.
Sorry, I don't have any.
Peanuts.
Thank you. Cheers. I just grabbed it. Quick one. Just chucked it out didn't even eat it. Cheers. I think it just didn't eat that one.
Well, he didn't want to?
Yeah. Yeah, this one did. Thank you. Thank you so much. Right, tick box. Fed the monkey.
Yeah, at least they're nicer than the deer.
I know, the deer were so mean.
Hit your head.
Oh, Dad.
The deer would bite you.
There's a baby one.
The baby. Baby. Baby.
There's some wood here. See, there's heat. It's quite warm in there. Right, let's move out again. It's a wrap. Over and out from here. That's it. Fed the monkey. Tick. See you in the next one.